Good job.
Yummy!
Good morning. Today we're going to make a delicious breakfast recipe that's perfect for starting your day off on the right foot. We're going to make corned beef with eggs and saba banana. Okay, let's get started. First, let's beat our eggs. Crack 3 eggs into a bowl and beat them until they're well mixed. Okay. Next, we'll add our corned beef. Open a can of corned beef and take it out. Mix into our beaten eggs and stir until well combined. Now we'll add some flavor. Chop up some garlic and onion and then let them set aside. Then let's add a little bit of salt into our corned beef and eggs and mix it well. Heat up some oil in a pan and saute the garlic and onion until it looks fragrant. Fry the corned beef and eggs in the pan until they're cooked through and nicely brown. Once the corned beef and eggs are fully cooked, remove them from the pan and set them aside. Okay guys, let us prepare our saba banana. I slice up 5 saba banana into a halves and I heat up some oil into the same pan and fry until they're nicely brown and truly cooked. Let's watch guys. Okay guys, now it's time to plate our delicious breakfast. Serve the corned beef and eggs on a plate and add a fried Saba banana on the other plate. So it's a great combination of flavors that's sure to get your day started off right. The corned beef and eggs are hearty and filling, while the fried Saba bananas add a sweet touch to the meal. Wow, this is the yummy breakfast of Nicole Shane. Okay, let's start to eat now. I try it. Yummy. What the taste? What the taste of your breakfast today? Morning?
Yummy.
Very good. Okay guys, thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoy this breakfast recipe as much as I do. This video that it inspired you to make this breakfast for your own family too. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you enjoy this video. See you next time. Enjoy your meal. Oh, pritong banana, fried banana, corned beef scrambled with the egg. This is her final breakfast. Ayan na guys. So, if you like this video, don't forget to click the notification bell and subscribe, comment and share. Thank you for watching. Bye. This is my daughter. She loves to eat this one.